Hi everyone. So today we're going to talk about past simple verbs. Okay, so a verb is an action. Okay, so action, for example, run, eat, swim, cook, sleep, play, etc. Okay, so actions and actions in the past. So past means before now, like yesterday or this morning or last week or in 1980. Okay? When you talk about verbs in the past, you have regular verbs and irregular verbs. Regular verbs have ed. Okay, so for example, you have the verb walk, but in the past we say walked. And then for look, in the past we say looked, and same for cry and cried. And then irregular verbs do not finish in ed, so there is no ed. So ran, sang, wrote. When you talk about the past, we use or you use language or words which talk about the past. So for example, yesterday, last week, last month, last year, this morning, a few hours ago, a few minutes ago, in 2018, in January. Okay, just some examples. So, this morning, okay, so these words are talking about the past. This morning I walked to the park. So walked is a verb, an action in the past simple. This morning I walked to the park. Yesterday we ate chicken and rice for lunch. So ate is a past simple verb talking about the past. And I finished school in 1997. So it's 2020 now. So this action happened in the past, in 1997. For regular verbs in the past, you have ed. So the verb cook in the past, cooked. Walk in the past, walked. Jump in the past, jumped. If you have a verb where the last letter is e, okay, you can see here you have the verb love, and the last letter here, the last letter is e. Same for bake and like. So if the last letter is e, then you only write d for the past. So loved, baked, and liked. It's very important when you study English to understand vowels and consonants. Okay, so vowels and consonants. So in English you have 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, and U. And you have 21 consonants. Okay, so consonants like B, C, D, F, etc. If you don't know vowels and consonants, please pause the video, stop the video, and write the vowels and consonants on some paper. Okay, if you have a verb where the last letters are consonant and Y, then you delete the Y and write IED, okay, for the past. For example, the verb worry, the last two letters are Y. R is a consonant, okay, so you have consonant and Y. So when talking about the past, IED, worried, and you can see there is no Y in the past. Same thing for try, you have the last two letters are Y. R is a consonant, okay, and Y, so in the past, IED, tried. Again, you can see there is no Y in the past. And study, so D is a consonant, so consonant Y, so studied, IED. If the verb finishes with vowel and Y, then just ED. Okay, so here stay, A is a vowel and Y, so vowel Y, just ED, stayed. Okay, and enjoy, O is a vowel and Y, so past simple, enjoyed, ED. And play, A is a vowel and Y, so vowel Y, then played, just ED. Now, sometimes you have verbs where the last three letters, okay, so the last three letters are a consonant, vowel, and consonant. Okay, so the verb plan, L is a consonant, A is a vowel, N is a consonant. So consonant, vowel, consonant. So what you do in the past simple, you have a double letter. So plan, one N, planned, double N. Okay, same for travel. V is a consonant, E, vowel, L, consonant. Consonant, vowel, consonant. So you have double L for the past simple, traveled. In some countries, this can be a little different. Okay, so in Australia, in the past simple, we have double L, but in some countries like America, they spell traveled with one L. Okay, so sometimes some words are different in different countries. And rob, consonant, vowel, consonant. So past simple, you have double B, robbed. Okay, thank you very much.